So how do you take off the guided access on the iPad? Let me explain how it works. If you're new here, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials and I don't want you to miss any of them. Anyways, if you are inside of the guided access, what you have to do to get outside is to triple click the power button, right? So it might be on the side somewhere, it's the actual physical one. And you have to do it like this, that you of course you get this like view and you just want to stop the guided access, right? So you'll be able to just get outside of it like this. So make sure to turn it off. And if it asks you for the passcode, you almost definitely need to type that in to make sure that you get inside and that you get authenticated with it, right? And then in the top left corner, you have the end button. So you can tap on it at the end and the guided access will be ended. So that is what you need to do. So actually, that's how I would take it off. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and upcoming videos like this one. And I'll see you later, so stay tuned for more and I'll see you then.